Let's get back to the NAHB, the Housing Market Index. It was down 6 points to a reading of 34 in November. That, folks, is very, very low. NAHB CEO Jim Tobin is with us this morning. Looks like high mortgage rates are still keeping your industry in absolute limbo.
Absolutely. We've erased all the gains we had in the first part of this year, so down 6 more points. Members very pessimistic about the future of the housing market right now. But remember, we're just starting to see what I think is the crest in mortgage rates. We're down below 7.5%. Of course, the 10-year Treasury rate has fallen now below 4.5, below 5.5. So there's optimism on the horizon, but right now it's going to take a while before these rates really unlock that market.
Let me quote something to you from Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin. He says that home ownership is becoming unattainable for far too many people. You gave me a statistic earlier. 30%, only 30% of the people earning the median income in America, only 30% can afford a home. Is that right?
That's correct. Can afford a median-priced home in America. That means home ownership, and the Fed president is exactly right. Home ownership is getting less and less attainable for more and more American families. If American home ownership is part of the American dream and being able to find an affordable apartment to get you there, we're taking that farther and farther out of the reach of people.
Have you seen a situation like this before, where so few people can afford a home?
It's been a while, probably, the late 90s. We had the Great Recession, but that was a much different dynamic piece than that. But there really is, it's just the cost of homes, and then, of course, interest rates aren't helping out either.
Yeah,
but
for sure.
We have got to unwind this.
But 38%, this is a survey that was taken recently, 38% of people under 30 got help from their parents to make the down payment on a home. 38% under 30 did that. Now, it occurs to me that lots of people don't have rich parents. Right. So if they can help their own children like this, they're locking in inequality.
That's right. If you can't save for your down payment, you're going to be forced farther and farther out of home ownership. Those who are lucky enough to have the bank of mom and dad to help for that down payment, good for them. But you're absolutely right. I think the more inaffordable housing becomes, the more that wealth gap increases between those who have homes and those who can't afford homes.
I seem to remember buying my first home in the late 1970s in California, a long, long time ago. In those days, you couldn't have people give you the money for a down payment. Right. You had to show that you'd got it yourself. I think they went back 3 months into your financial records to make sure nobody had given you a bunch of money. Right. That's gone completely.
Yeah, you can still have some help there, but it's gonna erode the ability of whether or not it's your ability to pay in the future, right? So it's all complicated right now.
Tell me about cash buyers. I'm thinking of people who've made a lot of money in the stock market, right, and they use their stock holdings as collateral against a loan from their broker. So there's no mortgage. Right. They bought the thing outright, and they pay back their broker, Charles Schwab, for example, whenever they like. You see a lot of that?
See a lot of that, especially people moving out of the high-cost states. Ash's story about Wall Street moving down to Florida kind of speaks to that. People are doing it on their home ownership level, too. Moving out of the high-cost states like California, Illinois, Connecticut, New Jersey, New York, coming south where they can sell their high home prices here, turn that into cash, and buy a new home in a better climate, and they're able to do it. So the custom home market right now, that continues to flourish because of all these cash buyers.
The rich just get richer, don't they?
It happens that way. But home ownership's the great equalizer in America.
Yes,
it's a gateway to the middle class. We need to get more people in home ownership.
It'll take a long time, but it's a worthy effort.
That's right.
Jim, thanks a lot, man. See you later.